It is summer, and so I wanted to share some of my favourite items that I've been using in the warmer weather. I mean, I say that and I went on my bike this morning and it absolutely just chucked it down. So it is quite hot now though. So I just want to share a couple of things with you. So I just want to also kind of start off by saying I have been sent a couple of these items. However, I wouldn't share anything that I wouldn't personally use or recommend. So, I mean, I've been sent other things that I've not really liked and I won't be sharing with you. So just wanted you to know that I do rate these products and just being honest with you really. So yes, the first thing I want to share with you is an actual cycling kit, and I really, really love this kit. I've had it for, I think I probably had it maybe 3 months. And I tested it, like I've worn it on so many rides. You'll have seen it on my Instagram. But I've worn it and worn it and worn it. And I wanted to make sure that I really liked it before I recommended them to you. So the brand is called Sig. And they are a Swedish brand. And what I really like about their whole kind of ethos of cycling kit is it's all their colours and designs are based on kind of nature, which I really like. I believe this jersey is inspired by chicory and like the flowers on it, so that's that. But what I mainly like about this, especially for summer, is it is so soft and so thin, the fabric. It is just so comfortable to wear. When it's really, really hot, it is just the nicest jersey. And another good thing that I like about it is sun factor 30, so it has an SPF of 30, so you're not going to get burnt as you're riding, which is a massive bonus because I do burn. So yeah, and you can see at the back there, you've got 3 pockets and there's also like a little secret pocket on the side. I'm going to overlay some footage of me in like the full kit now just so you can see how it looks. But I just think it's really flattering. You've got like a really like smooth lines and I just think it's really, really comfortable. The shorts, I wasn't as... When I first put the shorts on, basically, I didn't love them straight away. I felt like, I don't know, I do have this problem with other shorts as well, is I feel like the hem of the short is sometimes too tight and not kind of representative of the size. So I felt at first like they were a tiny little bit tight on my legs. I don't know whether that's just generally a problem like for some women, because I feel like women generally have, and some men, but generally I found that we have more kind of flesh on our thighs. I say that's what some of my friends would say the same thing, and so yeah, they felt a little bit tight. However, the more that I've worn them, they've just kind of just stretched and they're just a lot more comfortable now. So yeah, that's what I would say about them. And the only one thing about them is, I mean, they are lovely. They've got like the branding there. Can you see that properly? The branding there, and they've got like let me show you the straps. Really soft, comfortable. The chamois is really nice as well. It's a really good chamois in there. They have got a little bit of reflective that has just started peeling off though. But I think you're going to get that with any type of fabric. When you kind of basically sticking stuff onto stretchy material, you are going to have the risk of some of it peeling off. But yeah, that's my first summer favourite. So I'll leave a link to their website in the description if you want to go and have a quick look. So yeah, thank you so much for sending that out, Sig. Absolutely love it, especially the jersey. Absolutely love it. The second thing that I want to share with you is this. And this is called Slipstream. It is a anti-chafe sports cream. I was given this at a charity cycle event early this year. And I was kind of a bit like, yeah, it's fine, yeah, maybe I'll try it out. And it is the best chamois cream I have ever used. I've probably used maybe, I mean not loads, maybe 3 or 4. And this is just so good. I would recommend it to anyone. It is vegan, it's all natural ingredients, which is one of the main things that I really loved about it. It is hypoallergenic and it is just fantastic. So basically the guy who created this worked in like creating chamois creams just like in factories, and he was like, do you know what, I just want to create a more natural version for people. And so he created Slipstream, and the first ingredient is aloe vera. And the first ingredient in any product shows you how good, I'll stop shaking it around, sorry. The first ingredient in any product shows you how good a product that is. And for me, I'm just like, aloe vera, it's just amazing. And he also said that you can use this obviously before you go out cycling or running. It's good for triathletes as well if you get kind of any kind of chafing there, or so yeah, it can be used all over your body. And yeah, what I like about it is you don't really use a lot. So what he said is you probably use about that much. And I'm not sure about you, but with other chamois creams, I was like scooping it out, like putting it on all over the place. But what he said is that the problem with some of the chamois creams, and I mean, if you have a chamois cream that you like and you get on with, that's great. I just want to share one just that I absolutely love, is that those chamois creams, the texture of them, I know I used to use the Asos one, and it's quite a thick, not gloopy, it's kind of like a foamy texture, and it just sits on the top of your skin. It doesn't sink in, which is what it's meant to do, because it's meant to stop the chafing. Whereas what it says with this is you just rub it into your hand, well, not into your hand or wherever you want it to go, leave it for a sec, and it creates just like a very like thin film over your skin, and then it kind of dries, and it's just like, do you know when you put talcum powder on and you get that kind of like slippery feeling? It's a little bit like that. It just goes really smooth, so that when your shorts or whatever kind of fabric is chafing, it just kind of glides over. And what this guy said the main problem with like other chamois creams is they just sit on your skin, and so that while they're there, they're fine, but then they kind of like mix with the salt and sweat of your body and then just aggravate. So I really like that. Give it a try. It's not particularly expensive either, and you can share it because it's not in a pot. So if there's a group of you, you could share one tube, I guess, because that's you never double dip in a pot of chamois cream. That's a definite no-no. The next lot of things that I'm going to share with you are by Fave. They did actually send me these out, and so I'm just going to be upfront about that now. But I did used to use the powder that you got, the energy drink, before they sent them out to me. So I asked them, well, I just basically said I'm vegan, so you can only send me vegan stuff, because I'm not going to kind of try anything that's not vegan, obviously. And I've talked about this before, but I love this energy drink stuff. It's just my favourite. It's really good. It's got like electrolytes in it, and has it got electrolytes? Oh no, maltodextrin, fructose. Oh yeah, it is, yeah, electrolyte. It is electrolyte, sorry. So that's really good, what I really like for summer, because I feel like I sweat a lot more in summer, and having like little sachets is quite good, because you've seen in my other videos when I have a little bag of it and it just explodes everywhere. So I do quite like having the sachets. It is a bit more wasteful, so I will probably buy the big tub and then just decant it down. So that's the energy drink. Very nice. I have the berry one, which I think is the best. They also sent, right, I'm going to do all these in one go. They got bars, which are the berry bars, which I actually really like. They're very like flat, let me open one. They're kind of like flapjacky. I think they taste, is that a word, flapjacky? But they taste kind of like flapjack. So that's what they look like. And I like them. Vegan, natural ingredients. Sorry, I shouldn't talk my mouth full. They are really nice. But the main thing that I like about Fave stuff is that none of it has got any weird like ingredients. So when I was looking at different like energy drink powders, because sometimes I just use sugar, some of them have got like sweeteners in, and I just don't want that. So in this, it's just maltodextrin, fructose, natural flavourings, I can't speak, sorry, food acids, acidity regulator, and sodium chloride. Like, that is it. I don't like when they've got aspartame in them and stuff like that, because it's not good for you. Oh, they also sent me that as well, which I quite liked. I'm not a big fan of like nuts in general, but that's like a protein hit ball. I'll open one of these to show you what they're like. I mean, that is huge. It's massive. But yeah, that's definitely more. Out of the two, I prefer the energy bar, because I'm not a big fan of nuts though. But if you like nuts, that is really good. It's very nutty. And the last thing I have shown you before, but I'm just gonna go over it again because it's just so damn good, and I think you'd really like it. It is the K-Edge. I know I'm pointing there because it is over there, but I'm gonna overlay some footage now so you can see what it looks like. It's the K-Edge mount, and this is the one that you can put a GoPro on as well as a Garmin, which I absolutely love. It's made of metal, and I think it's the most steady way to film GoPro footage. So when I've been in the Alps, Mallorca, like that's where and Fred Whitten, that's where all this footage was from, and it's just held so steadily. I think it's one of those things in summer, like you just want to use a GoPro because it just looks so beautiful with clear blue skies and green rolling fields. So yeah, that's what I've been using a lot in the summer. So I'll leave a link to them as well. In fact, I'll leave links to like all the different things that I mentioned in the description box below if you're interested in any of it. And I do actually genuinely like the stuff that I'm sharing with you. Like I said before, I just don't want you to feel like I'm just like pushing loads of stuff on you. Don't buy it if you don't want it or you don't need it. But they're things that I genuinely have liked, enjoy using, and think that you would find some value in. So if you've got any kind of suggestions of things that you've enjoyed using, specifically summer, then leave a link in the, or leave a comment in the, I can't even talk, what is wrong with me? Leave a comment in the, underneath the video. Sorry, I've gone a little bit brain dead today. It must be the heat. So yeah, I think that is pretty much it for this video. If you haven't subscribed, as always, subscribe if you want to. You get more content from me. You click the little bell and you get updates of when I've uploaded a video. Generally, my videos, I'm trying to stick to Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 5 PM UK time. So that's when you can expect a video from me. And yeah, that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.